Namaste student, myself Jewel Anshika Kushwaha from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is microbial technology and today's session is industrial production of lactic acid. So we will discuss first of all what is lactic acid. Lactic acid is a catabolic product of primary metabolism of microbes, also produced by many higher organisms including man who produces the acid in the muscle during work. Lactic acid produced are formed from carbohydrate fermentation that are derived from pyruvic acid via the EMP, PP or ED pathways. Products such as ethanol, acetic acid, 2,3-butanol, butanol, acetone, lactic acid and production can also be produced as by products. A lactic acid starter is basic starter culture with widespread used in the dairy industry. For cheese making of all kinds, lactic acid produced is production is essential. So what are the properties of lactic acid? Lactic acid is 3 carbon organic acid, one terminal part of an acid or carbon carboxylic acid. Other terminal carbon atom is part of a methyl or hydrocarbon group. Central carbon atom having an alcohol carbon group. It is low volatility, soluble in water and insoluble in other organic solvents. The lactic acid bacteria, they are formisates group, non-spore forming rod or cocci shaped, lacks porphyrins and cytochromes. They grow anaerobically but are not killed by oxygen. They obtain their energy from sugars and are found in environment where sugar is present. So what are the lactic acid bacteria for industry purpose? Use of the desirable characteristic of lactic acid bacteria as industrial microorganisms include ability to rapidly and completely ferment cheap raw materials, and it is minimal requirement of nitrogenous substances. It produces high yield of much preferred stereo specific lactic acid, and it have ability to grow under conditions of low pH and high temperature, and ability to produce low amount of cell mass as well as negligible amount of other byproducts. Then what is the production of lactic acid? The organism responsible for the production of lactic acid includes bacteria, fungi. It requires only a simple medium and produces lactic acid. It also required vigorous aeration. In fungal fermentation, the low production rate below 3 gram per liter R is probably due to the low reaction rate caused by mass transfer limitation. So in this, first of all, we take sugar, then do hydrolysis, then we form glucose, then glycolysis process is done, then we form pyruvate, then the fermentation process is occur, then we got lactic acid as a product. So this is all about the lactic acid bacteria production, industrial production. If you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section. Thank you.